Mama Lambs. Today I got Jen here, our friend who is a pastry chef. She's gonna make some vegan curry puffs with our curry paste.
Everyone, this is Jennifer making Malaysian curry puffs with Mama Lamb's curry paste, vegan. So for the vegetarians out there, this is a great thing to go for.
Yeah, and it's a very traditional dish anyway, so it's super yummy. All right, let's get started.
So you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a cup of cold butter cubed, and some cold water, 1/4 cup. And then also a food processor.
Alright, okay. So we just put everything in here?
Yeah, so to begin, we're going to do the flour and the salt.
Okay, cool.
You want to?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Do I just pour it in?
Just pour it in.
All of it?
All of it. And then, so we're just going to mix it together.
Okay.
Just a couple pulses.
Okay.
And that's it. So then the salt and the flour is mixed together.
Alright, sweet.
Then you add the cold cubed butter.
Butter's in.
Okay, and then we pulse it a couple times just so the butter's pea-sized. You want it to be small pieces of butter so that you have that flaky crust. Looks good to me.
Alright, sweet.
So you
Oh,
see this
little chunky?
Little chunks, but
Should we brown more?
maybe a couple more pulses.
Okay.
But most of it is. I think that should be good.
That's good?
Yes,
Okay.
that looks good.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, in case anyone
So
wants.
let's see.
Okay, now what?
And then we
water?
add the water, the cold water, all around, just enough to bring it together. And then we pulse it too, and then so it comes together. And if it's not enough water, you can add a tablespoon at a time until it comes together.
Alright, cool. This is great.
And then see, everything's cut. See, you want it to come together like this, but you see the bits of butter in there. See? Yeah. So now we're gonna dust the counter with some flour.
Where's the flour? Where'd it go?
Mama Lamb.
Not the mama. Is that good?
Yeah.
Do more.
Just put everything in the center. And then you just want it to come together.
Okay.
So you just make it into like this. Maybe put a little bit more flour so that's not so sticky.
Okay.
So then we're gonna pat it into a rectangle now. And then we're gonna roll it out, maybe like a 1/4 inch thickness.
It's soft.
Yeah, and if it's still sticky, then add a little bit more flour.
Okay.
Okay. Then maybe get the other side too because I think it's sticking to the counter. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe roll it a long way so we have like a rectangle going. So maybe a little bit more. You want a 1/4 inch thick,
More.
so a little bit more.
How's that?
That's good. So then now we're gonna fold it into like an envelope. Actually, a letter. Sorry, I meant letter. So you fold the top half down into the center, and then you fold the bottom half to meet the end over here. So then you have a little of a letter here.
Alright. 3-fold letter.
Yes, and then now we chill it for an hour in the fridge or 30 minutes in the freezer till it's nice and cold, and then we do this process again a couple more times.
Alright. Cool. Sounds good.
Thank you. So we just took it out of the fridge. It was in there for like an hour. And you just want to roll it to a 1/4 inch again. Make sure you dust enough flour because it's sticky. And then you want to wrap it. You want to fold it again like a letter. So the first top half in the mid-center, and then the bottom.
Looks like
You do it one more time. So you rotate it 90 degrees, and then you roll this back out into to another
long rectangle.
Yes.
Okay.
I have a little bench scraper here too, just in case to
Keep it all together.
Yes. Pull it back out into a rectangle. Just want to make sure it's
Flat.
flat.
Okay.
And maybe a little more. That's enough, so that's what helps you guide. And you want to do the same thing. So you press the top to the center and then the bottom to meet the end.
Sweet.
And then we put it in the fridge for another hour to chill, or 30 minutes in the freezer. And then we do this again one more time. And then we're ready to bake.
All right, sounds good.
So we just took it out of the fridge.
Okay.
Dusted the counter.
All right.
And then we're going to do it another time. We're going to roll it out to a rectangle, 1/4 inch thickness.
Okay.
Hold the dough. So,
Yeah, the dough is cold.
So
It's a little tough.
use your muscle. So we're gonna do the filling for the curry puffs with
Okay.
Mama Lamb's curry paste. So we have 9 to 10 ounces of potatoes,
Okay,
chopped
cool.
already, diced
Sweet.
like this, and then we have either 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic. So I like garlic, so let's chop another one.
Okay.
And then I have 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. 1 to 2 tablespoons of Mama Lamb's curry paste, depending on how spicy you like it. I like to use 2 tablespoons, and a 1/4 teaspoon of oil for the garlic.
Okay, is this chopped enough?
That looks good to me. So they're
Okay.
chopped. We add that to this.
Sweet.
Heat up some oil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Switch this up a little bit.
Oh, starting to sizzle.
Okay, I think that looks good.
Okay.
Let's add the potatoes. And now we're gonna add the coconut milk and Mama Lamb's curry paste. So 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on how spicy you want it. You can always add more later. Lower the flame to low. You just want to cook the potatoes down. And if you think you need a little bit more liquid, you always add a little bit more water or a little bit more coconut milk. So it's been 15 minutes. Looks like it's cooked out. We added some salt to it, just mashed it a little bit so it's more like a filling. And I think ready. And then we need to chill it until it's cooled down a little bit before we fill the pastry, because you don't want it to melt.
All right. So we took this out of the fridge and we rolled it out. So it's now a square.
It's a nice little square. So it's probably like an 1/8 inch thick. Now we're gonna cut out circles. So if you have a round cutter, a cup or something.
We're gonna like 4 out of this
So
one.
we got 4, and you can always reuse. Actually, the dough, what you want to do is chill it, and then you can roll it back out again. Just don't knead it back in because you want to keep the flaky crust. And then it looks like this. Now chill it for a few minutes so it's nice and cold. We'll fill them, egg wash, and bake. I just have the scraps, you know, just trying to so we could use it for more curry puffs. And then yeah, we roll it back out and then cut some more out so we can eat some more. And then cut it into circles, and then we'll get more out of this. And then we have an egg for the egg wash. Just an egg, and beat it down, and then we're gonna brush all the rounds with the egg wash. Make sure you get the edges because you need to, yeah, so that way it's sealed. And then we're gonna put a tablespoon or more in the center of the dough. Alright, so take one, fold it like a dumpling. Okay. Make sure the filling's all in. You want to seal it. So, okay, so now you have it sealed. So the traditional way is
Twist it?
twist it. You just fold it downwards actually.
Okay.
Like you kind of like fold it over.
Mine's so
I mean, if you can't do it, you could just like crimp it like a dumpling and it's fine. I mean, it'll taste the same.
It just doesn't look the same.
So that's how it's supposed to look like the traditional
That looks good.
pattern. Put it on the sheet tray. Okay, and then we egg wash.
I wash the top of them.
Yes, we just egg wash all the top like this. We want that nice golden top. You can always deep fry it too, actually. But we're doing it the healthier way. Let's try to fill the other ones.
Okay.
And then you can always chill this again. It's soft now, so I'm gonna put this. We're gonna fill the other ones, and then and then put these in the fridge, and then they're all ready to bake together.
Alright, cool.
Look at these beautiful curry puffs.
Excited.
So do they go in the oven yet? Oh yeah, sorry. So let's egg wash the top of it. Sorry, I was talking too much.
Alright.
Egg wash the top. These are egg
Ooh,
washed
those
on
look
top
so
already.
cute.
These are egg washed already on top. So we just have to egg wash these mini ones.
Okay.
So that way we could bake it all together. Oh my god, what is that? Like a wonton? It looks like a
It literally
wonton.
looks like a
You
wonton.
can make curry wontons.
I should have rolled it.
It's fine.
I was trying to make it look pretty.
Okay. So we'll egg wash the rest of these.
Here, I try to make
Little
it pretty.
space right
Wow, these are significantly filled. Like,
because
fuller.
they're a little bigger, that's why. I think we have mini ones. This one looks good.
Yeah, that one's a good size. Alright, and how long do we have to bake it for?
Bake it at 375 for 10 minutes until it's golden brown on top. Check it. After that, if you need a few more minutes, then put a few more minutes. But I think it's 10 to 12 minutes. It's
Alright, sounds good.
size.
So, we're almost there!
Put it in the oven! Yay!
Yeah! Alright,
Okay.
oven time. Alright, so this is our vegan curry puffs made with curry potatoes and mama lambs. Of
Yay, they smell so good.
Alright, we're gonna try it now.
Dig it in. Here, I'll hold it.
Here. You got it? Okay.
I got one.
So I'm gonna go
Ready?
for this
A
one.
little warm still.
Ooh, it just like almost broke on me.
Oh.
Cheers! Cheers!
Mm.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Mhm.
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 Oh god.
It's so flaky.
Oh my god. It's a little hot, huh?
Mhm.
It's still really good.
Uh-huh. Flaky. Filled. I think yours is more filled.
I love filled. It's good.
Mmm. That's a good crush.
Mm.
It's nice,
I
Jen.
could do it. I mean, I think it's the perfect balance.
Mhm.
Very good filling.
Yeah.
Potato filling.
There you go.
I mean, I could probably put a little bit more of Mama Lamb's curry paste, honestly.
yeah. If you
I mean,
want it spicier, more curry
but-
flavored.
It's good.
Yeah. I
It's
like it.
delicious.
Oh wait, should we try it with the sauce?
Yeah, let's try it with the sauce.
All right. So now this is our sauce
Mm.
that we made. You want to use it
Sorry.
first?
Oh, maybe double dip it from the other.
Oh, yeah, true. You're right.
Okay, let's just try this sauce with it. Mmm. Mmm.
How's it with sauce?
It feels good.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, that's
Extra
delicious.
flavor.
I
Mhm.
love it. Very good.
That was very good. The sauce. Oh my god. Mmm. All
Let's not
right.
share. Let's not share. It's all ours. All mine.